that could light up the dark.
Right, something a little bit different for you to make it a bit of a fun day. I bought a book, Aussie Slang. G'day, mate. So let's have a quick look at a few of these. And what have we got? G'day is obviously the equivalent of hello or hi. Arvo, short for afternoon. Brekkie, of course, is brekkie. Macca's. Should we go for a Macca's? That's a McDonald's. A servo is short for a service station or a gas station. No worries. The phrase used to say, it's okay. Don't worry about it, you're welcome. I like this one, fair dinkum. Genuine, real or true can be used to express disbelief or confirm something to somebody. Fair income, that. Tar. And what have we got here? Outback. Bush. A ute. So we know what a ute is, a utility vehicle, often a pickup truck. And I like this one, a ripper. Excellent, fantastic, really good. So if we want to say that's really good here in Australia, it's a ripper. What have we got here? A roadie, a drink taken on the road. A barbie is let's go and have a barbecue. A chook, slang for chicken, often used to refer to a roast or a cooked chicken. Do you guys know what snags are? Sausages. A sanger. Let's go for a sandwich. It's great Aussie languages. And this is the famous one, a tinny. Tin of beer. An esky, portable cooler used to keep your drinks or food cold. Flat white, obviously a coffee. A bicky, give me a bicky, which is a biscuit. Pub grub, let's go for some pub food. Footy, footy match. Little nippers, which are actually kids. This is really good, I'm glad I bought this book. Let's go for a walkabout, so walkabout to walk around here. Surf's up, a phrase used to indicate that the waves are good for surfing. What have we got? That's obviously something I probably can't say on camera. Well, that's to mock or tease or joke around with someone. And of course, Australians like the word bloody, used to express humour or frustration. What's a dag? A term for someone who is a bit uncool or quirky, bit of a dag. Chockers, completely full or packed. It's not really chockers around here today, is it? A docket. I always remember Steve on about docket. That's a receipt. There's so much in here. Haggling, process of negotiating a price. Mates rates, so a discounted price offered to friends or regular customers. Ambo is an ambulance. 000 here in Australia, 000. United States 911 or 999 in the UK. And they call police cops here in Australia. What else have we got? So much to read. Hope you're enjoying this. A rip, strong current, pulls swimmers into the sea. What else have we got? A grog. Do you know what a grog is?
No idea, what is it?
Alcohol, often referring to beer or spirits. A bloke. A Sheila for a girl. Fair go, phrase meaning to give someone a chance or treat them fairly. Fair go. Chuffed, feeling pleased or delighted. Dodgy, something or someone that seems unreliable. What's a bogan?
I've no idea.
A somewhat term for someone perceived as a lower class. Never heard of that one. Aussie salute is waving your hand to shoo away the flies. We'll be doing that in Uluru. I like that one. I'm absolutely knackered, tired. What's a Westie? A term for someone from Western Australia or Western Sydney. Not heard of that one. A Queenslander is obviously from Queenslander. What's a sandgroper?
I wouldn't have a clue.
A nickname for people from Western Australia, particularly those from Perth. Didn't know that. What else have we got here? We're almost to the end of it. Hopefully I'm not boring you. A digger. So in some regions, especially World War II, hand-making person. A brolly is an umbrella. Togs is swimwear. And there we go. Aussie slang. I hope you've enjoyed that. A little bit of interest in this fabulous location.